How to use a multimeter. Welcome to Electro Guide 99, where we explore various technical tools and how to use them correctly. In today's video, we're going to learn how to use an avometer, also known as a multimeter. An avometer is an essential tool for anyone working with electricity. With this tool, you can measure voltage, current, and resistance. Some models even come with additional features, like diode and capacitor testing. Part 2. Setting up the avometer. Before we start, make sure the probes are properly connected to the avometer. The red probe is usually for the positive terminal, and the black probe for the negative terminal. Connect the red probe to the VMA port, and the black probe to the COM port. Part 3. Measuring voltage. To measure voltage, turn the selector to the V symbol with a straight line DC if you're measuring DC voltage, or with a wavy line AC for AC voltage. Place the red probe on the positive terminal and the black probe on the negative terminal. The measurement will be displayed on the screen. Part 4. Measuring current. To measure current, you'll need to break the circuit first, then turn the selector to the A symbol. Connect the avometer in series with the circuit, with the red probe on the positive side and the black probe on the negative side. Part 5. Measuring resistance. To measure resistance, turn the selector to the symbol. Connect the two probes to the resistor or component you're measuring. Ensure that the component is not connected to any power source while measuring resistance. Part 6. Additional features of the avometer. Some avometers come with extra features like diode or capacitor testing. Turn the selector to the appropriate mode and follow the on-screen instructions for accurate results. Part 7. Tips and common mistakes. Here's some important tips when using an avometer. First, always use the correct measurement range to avoid damaging the. Second, never measure resistance on a live circuit. Part 8. Closing scene. That's how you use an avometer. I hope this tutorial was helpful and makes your work easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to ElectroGuide for more useful content. See you in the next video.